Let's start with something clear. Google doesn't trust easily. You can have fast loading times, tons of backlinks, even the perfect keyword density. But if your site doesn't look, feel, and sound trustworthy, Google will hesitate to rank it, especially in competitive or sensitive niches. That's where EEAT comes in. It stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. In this lecture, you will learn how to build EEAT into your SEO strategy right from the beginning, not after the content is published or the site is live. Because if you wait until Google finds gaps in your credibility, it's already too late. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to explain what EEAT really means for SEO, spot weak trust signals in your website and content, design your SEO workflow to naturally support experience, authority, and trust. What does building trust into SEO actually mean? It means treating trust like a ranking factor, not an afterthought. For Google, trust isn't just in the words you write. It's in the structure, the authorship, and the signals around your site. Ask yourself, is it clear who wrote this? Is the author qualified to speak on the topic? Can we see first-hand experience? Do others trust this person or site? Trust, in Google's eyes, is like a web. Your content, your site structure, and your external presence all connect to form a complete picture. Layer 1. Trust in your content. Start with content that reflects first-hand experience, step-by-step, examples, product usage, case studies. Clear authorship, real bios with credentials or lived experience. Citations to reliable sources, ideally with real-world authority. You don't need a PhD to write about fitness or finance, but you do need to show that you know what you're talking about from real-world experience or deep research. Example: if you're writing a review of a budgeting app, don't just repeat features from the website. Show screenshots, walk users through how you used it, mention what worked and what didn't. That's EEAT in action. Layer 2. Trust in your site structure. Google looks at about pages, who's behind the site, contact pages, is there a real way to reach you, editorial policy, do you have content guidelines, a review process, structured data, does your schema clearly describe authors, reviews, or organizations? These aren't optional anymore, especially for YMYL topics like health, finance, or education. Link your authors to a dedicated author page, use person schema, and mention professional credentials or relevant life experience. Layer 3. Trust in your off-site presence. This is what Google can't see directly on your site. Are you mentioned or linked on authoritative platforms? Do you have positive reviews, testimonials, or citations? Does your name or brand show up consistently across platforms? Remember, EEAT is supported by what others say about you, not just what you say about yourself. Example: if your article gets picked up or quoted on a news site or industry blog, that's a massive credibility boost. Guest posting, podcast interviews, and expert roundups all support this. So, here's your mindset shift. Don't optimize for EEAT later. Design your entire SEO strategy around it from day one. When your content, your structure, and your digital reputation all tell the same story, that this site and its authors are credible, experienced, and trustworthy, Google listens and rewards you with higher rankings, more visibility, and better conversions.